Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a badge using Canva. Canva is a great tool to use for creating presentations, um, newsletters, any type of design, and it's free. It's totally free for educators, and you can sign up for a free educator account by going to canva.com/education. So today I'm going to use Canva to show you how you can design your own badge. So we're going to start by clicking Create a Design. And for this project, we're going to choose logo. It's the perfect size for the badge. It's 500 by 500 pixels. You could, however, come down and create a custom size badge by clicking the custom size button and putting in whatever size that you want to use. But I'm going to go ahead for this and choose logo. Now over here on the left, these are the tools that we're going to use to create our design. So we're going to start by searching for a badge, and that's in Elements. Elements are your photos, your graphics, things like that, background images. So I'm going to click Elements, and then I'm going to search for badge. Right now I'm looking at everything, photos and graphics. I just want to see the graphics, so I'm going to click that here. And so you can just scroll through hundreds of images of badges here, and to choose one, you just click it. It'll insert it onto your canvas here, and if you decide that you don't like it, just select it and click delete on your keyboard. So I'm going to scroll through, and I think I'm going to search. I want to use this one. And some of the images, when you insert them, you'll notice that up here at the top on the toolbar, you have color blocks where you can change the colors of the image. Not all images will allow you to change the colors, but most will. I'm going to click this one and see it'll show colors. If you find an image to use and it doesn't have the color blocks here, then you have to use the colors that are already established. So I'm going to just go ahead and stretch this out to the size of what I have there. So, and I just stretch that out using the circles in the corners. Now, if you want to change the colors of this, you'll notice here's dark green and a little bit of dark green right here. So I can click the color and I can use the colors that they have provided here. Or if I have a color code, I can insert the color code here and the color would pop up right down below it here. So I'm just going to go through and maybe choose a blue. The ribbon going across here, I'm going to make that a different shade of blue. Maybe that. And then for the badge itself, maybe a gold. And then for the ring that's in the center, click that up here. Oops. And maybe I'll make that white. Okay, so something like that. So you can play around with the colors. You just have to select the color here, change, and it'll change that color in the design. All right, so now that we have the badge, we want to add some text. So you would click text here. You can add a heading, a subheading, or body of text. I'm just going to go up here and click heading. And then you're going to type the name of your badge. For this example, I'm just going to use Google Level 1. All right, and I could also put those on different lines just to stretch it out a little bit. In addition, I can format it. I'm going to highlight the text, and up here at the top is your formatting toolbar. And so with the educator's account, you have access to tons and tons and tons of fonts. So I am going to just choose this one for now. You can adjust the size. You can adjust the color here. You can bold it. And you can also add some different types of effects like this. And for this one, the effects, you can also change colors. Whatever you choose, it gives you some different options below once you've chosen that. So I can just make the color a little bit darker like that. Okay. So once you have finished formatting your text, I'm going to click just outside of that to deselect the text. And now when I hover over it, I can click, hold, and drag and move that anywhere on the badge that I want. Okay. You could also add some other images in here if you would like. You could put, different types of text anywhere that you would like. If you already had an image that you wanted to upload to use with your badge or as your badge, you could do that right here by clicking the Uploads button, choose Upload Media, and once it's uploaded, it'll show here, and you could just click to insert it like that. Okay, so we've looked at elements, which are your photos and graphics, uploads if you have your own images to upload, adding text, and now that we have the badge the way we want it, we are ready to download it. So here in the top right hand corner, you're going to choose download, and by default it's set to save it as a PNG, but you do have other types of file types that you can save as. But for this one, we're going to save it as an image file, and then we are going to click download. Okay, now your badge is downloaded as a PNG file, and you can use this on a website or in a slide presentation, wherever you'd like.